Welcome back to ESL Class 101, where English is made easy and learning is made fun. Last time, we explored stative verbs, those that describe states rather than actions.
Yeah, I remember. We discussed how verbs like think, have, and see can sometimes become dynamic, right?
Exactly. And today, we're going deeper into mental stative verbs that can actually appear in the present continuous when we want to express a recent change in thought, emotional awareness, or uncertainty.
So it's like we're not just thinking, we're in the process of thinking or realizing something.
Precisely. When your mind is shifting, English allows you to use the continuous form to show that mental movement. Let's look at some examples where mental state verbs appear in the continuous form. Here's the first one. I regret that our mansion will have to be sold. I'm regretting my decision to sell the mansion.
Ah, I see the difference. The first one sounds final, like the decision's already made. The second one shows that the feeling is developing, it's ongoing.
Exactly. When you say, I'm regretting, you mean you're in the process of realizing your mistake. The emotion is growing.
So I'm regretting isn't wrong, it's just emotional and temporary.
Yes. It's less common, but perfectly natural when you want to highlight emotional awareness. Now let's look at consider. He's considering buying a new laptop.
Right, we can't say he considers buying a new laptop, can we?
Exactly. When consider means to think carefully about, it's only used in the continuous form. The simple form, he considers, is used for opinions or general judgments, like he considers honesty important.
Got it. The continuous form focuses on the thinking process, not the opinion itself.
Perfect. Now another one. Find. I'm finding this topic a bit confusing.
That's interesting. I'd normally say, I find this topic confusing.
Right, both are correct. I find refers to your general opinion. I'm finding refers to your current developing experience. The continuous adds nuance. It shows that the opinion is forming now.
Oh, so it's about awareness in progress.
Exactly. The continuous form reflects a mental shift. Your feelings or thoughts are still changing. Let's see if you can tell when to use the continuous form.
Bring it on.
Sentence 1. I blank it difficult to stay focused these days. Would you say find or am finding?
Am finding, because it's a current situation, not a permanent truth.
Excellent! The present simple is also acceptable in this context. Keep in mind that find is among the limited set of mental state verbs that may be used in the continuous form.
This means I can use either form. I find it difficult to stay focused these days, or I'm finding it difficult to stay focused these days.
Exactly. Let's try another one. Sentence 2. She blank buying a new car. Is it considers or is considering?
I've just learned that the correct form is she's considering buying a new car.
Exactly. Consider in this sense only works in the continuous. Now, sentence 3. I blank that it was a bad idea to invest.
I'm realizing that it was a bad idea to invest.
Yes, that shows your awareness is growing. And remember, we can also say I realize. Finally, sentence 4. I blank you now, you're telling the truth.
That must be I believe you now, because I'm believing doesn't sound right.
Correct. Believe stays stative. We rarely use it in the continuous form. Okay, now try creating your own examples. Use a mental state verb in the continuous form to express something that's changing.
I'm realizing how powerful grammar can be.
Nice. That shows an awareness that's developing.
Or, I'm finding it easier to understand stative verbs now.
Perfect. You're describing a growing sense of understanding.
How about, I'm regretting not studying this earlier?
Excellent. That one's emotional. The feeling is increasing.
I'm seeing a pattern here. It's all about change of state in your mind.
Exactly. You're thinking like a linguist now. So, to sum up, not all mental state verbs are purely stative. Some can go continuous when we want to show thoughts or feelings that are changing.
Right, it's like putting emotion or uncertainty into grammar.
Exactly. And that's why English is so expressive. It lets us show not just what we think, but how our thinking changes.
Last time we learned that stative verbs can be dynamic. This time, we learned that even mental state verbs can have motion in the mind.
Beautifully said. See you in our next episode, and keep your thoughts moving.
Thank you for joining us at ESL Class 101, where English is made easy and learning is made fun. We'll continue to take English grammar beyond the basics. If today's lesson helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with fellow learners. See you in the next class.